students. Myself, Dr. Dipti Srivastava, Associate Professor in Zoology, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, we will talk about modern lizards. As we know, Squamata is an order of class Reptilia. The order Squamata includes modern lizards or suborder Lacertilia and snakes or suborder Ophidia. The order Squamata includes the modern lizards and snakes. The lizards are the most typical of the modern reptiles, showing the least modification in body form. They usually have an elongate body, a long tail, and four well developed clawed pentadactyl limbs adapted for running, climbing, and digging. The skin is usually covered with small scales. The tail of most lizards is easily broken off when threatened or seized by a predator. This ability is known as autotomy. A new tail is soon regenerated, which, however, does not possess vertebrae. The fact that tail breaks up easily is of great survival value. While the predator is attached to and eats the wriggling tail, the lizard quietly escapes. The majority of lizards are carnivorous, feeding largely on insects, worms, and other small animals. Most lizards are oviparous, their eggs protected by thin shells with little lime are laid on land. Lizards are extremely diversified, and some common and interesting examples are as follows. These are some lizards: common greco, house wall lizard, flying lizard, horned lizard, Gila monster, common iguana, limbless lizard, chameleon, skink, monitor lizard, Komodo dragon. First is Hemidactylus. Common house or wall lizards are known as grecos. These are small lizards, about 30 centimeter in length, having tails shorter than head and trunk. Eyes lack movable lids and trunk is tongue is sticky and protrusible. The underneath of fingers and toes have adhesive lamellae which aid in climbing vertical surfaces or walking across ceiling by creating suction by vacuum. Unlike most lizards, some geckos are vocal, making clicking and peeping sounds. Common North Indian gecko is Hemidactylus flaviviridis, while Hemidactylus bruci and Hemidactylus giganticus occur in South India. Second is Draco. Draco is the Indo-Malayan genus of the so called flying dragons. It is a small, brilliantly colored lizard with a very long tail and well developed limbs for running and climbing. At the lateral side of body has a thin semicircular membranous parachute like fold of skin or patagium supported by 4 or 5 pairs of extended limbs. It can be spread out and used for gliding from tree to tree and folded when not in use. A vertical narrow gular pouch hangs down from the middle of throat. Draco dusumiri is common in the forests of Kerala. Next is Phrynosoma. The horned lizard Phrynosoma is also known as horned toad. It is a flat spiny lizard of USA and Mexico, showing desert adaptations. Its spines gives it a formidable appearance with two enlarged horns on head, but it is a quite harmless and makes an interesting pet. It feeds primarily on ants. Babuya skins are common small slender lizards living in holes and crevices. Tail is long, cylindrical, and limbs or toes often reduced. Scales covering body are thin, smooth, and polished. They are viviparous. Body of Maboya carinata is brown above and pale below, while tail is blood red in color. Chameleon. Chameleon from Africa and India are highly specialized for arboreal life. Body is compressed, skin granulated, and head with a prominent helmet or hood formed by squamosal and occipital bones. Feet are zygodactylous. Zygo means jointed, dactyl means digits, with digits arranged in groups of 2 and 3 to grasp branches firmly. Additional security is provided by a prehensile tail. The very large tongue can be projected forward with great speed to capture insects, which stick to its sticky clubbed tip. The eyes are elevated in small cones and move independently. Chameleons are famous to change their body color rapidly to blend with their surroundings. Heloderma. The only poisonous lizard in the world is the Gila monster, measuring 30 centimeters in length, commonly called the beaded lizard because its scales resemble beads. It is represented by two species, Heloderma suspectum and Heloderma horridum, found in drier regions of North and Middle America. It is a stout, plump, depressed, sluggish, and highly colored creature with alternate stripes of brownish, black, and orange red. Its diet consists of birds, nestlings, lizards, and eggs. With grooved teeth in lower jaw, It possesses its neurotoxic poison into its prey by chewing movements. Its bite rarely, if ever, fatal to man. Iguana. Iguana is a large herbivorous and arboreal inhabitant of tropical South and Central America, reaching a length of 2.5 meters. The another iguanid is Amblyrhynchus is the only existing marine lizard from Galapagos Islands. It dives 10 meters or more below the tide mark to browse on seaweed. Iguanids are favorite article in the native diet. Varanus. The monitor lizard Varanus show relatively little morphological variation. The most commonly found Indian monitor lizard is Varanus monitor, about 50 cm long. It is characterized by a large trunk, long neck and tail, large pleurodont teeth, and long protrusible and deeply bifid tongue. They are active predators, feeding on a variety of invertebrate and vertebrate animals. Its dark brown body bears black spots dorsally. It is a good climber on trees as well as a good swimmer in water. The largest living lizard in the world is the ferocious dragon Varanus comodiensis, found on some of the islands of Malaya archipelago. It may reach a length of 2.5 meters and weight over 100 kg. It is capable of killing adult water buffalo, but it normally preys upon wild pigs, goats, deer, etc. Ophiusaurus. Rarely limbs are absent in Rarely limbs are present. Normally limbs are absent in this lizard. This is true of the so-called glass snakes, Ophistosaurus, slow worms or blind worms, and the worm lizards of Europe, America, and Asia. The glass snake Ophistosaurus derives its name from its ability to break off its tail when seized. The tail, which constitutes about two-thirds of the animal's length, fragments to many pieces that wriggle about, attracting attention, while the lizard moves away quietly. Limbless lizards move by lateral undulations as most snakes do. They can be distinguished from true snakes by the presence of movable eyelids and external ear openings which snakes lack. Further, they have small overlapping scales on the ventral side of the body instead of transverse scutes that most snakes possess. The North Indian species Ophisosaurus differs from American glass snake in the total absence of the rudimentary hind limbs spikes on cloacal aperture. A limbless lizard from South India is Barkudia. So today we discussed on some common and interesting lizards. Thank you.